Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, just kind of playing around, making a neon type effect. Pretty cool. Don't know if anybody would ever use it, but there could be several uses for it. I'm just going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to go up here, my corner radius is locked. I'm going to put 2 inches. Well, let's go 5. You know, you can never go too many. And then I'm going to take a small one. And on the small one, and you could have any shape. I'm not telling you have to use this shape. I'm going to go like 30, get that point. Now I'm going to fill that in with the Smart Fill tool, and you could use any color. Let's try a lighter. Well, I don't know. I'm going to keep with the blue because it worked out pretty well. Then go to the interactive fill tool, go up here to the elliptical, put it in the center, and you kind of see what you're getting. And that might really be kind of good enough. Maybe make it a little, there we go. Then that is an object. Leave the outline behind. If you have a blend tool would work on this, but in later versions, there is object to path. I don't really remember where it started or when it started. Hold down you've got that selected, hold down the shift key and select your object. I'm going to do 25. And look what you got. Now I'm going to take away the line. It doesn't really matter. And I'm going to draw another box. I'm going to fill the box in with black. I'm going to go to object order back a page. And if that doesn't look kind of like a neon light shining through, you know, maybe it could be a font. You know, you could do that with a font and smaller neons and have it kind of make it like it's popping out. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.